Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2027 Navigator L. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. The Lincoln Navigator L comes in either an RWD or AWD options. This large luxury SUV offers a longer wheelbase than the standard Navigator. With the extra length, carrying a large group in extreme comfort or loads of cargo is no problem at all. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.